Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PC tips you need to know right now. And in today's video, I'm going to show you simple PC tips on how to improve your PC performance. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do on your Windows PC, press Windows plus R, and this run box here is going to pump up. Then right here, what you need to do is to simply type in 10 and hit on OK. So all the file you have right here, you need to delete it. And for you to delete the file, press Ctrl A to select everything. Then press Shift key and delete key on your keyboard. And this is going to pump up. Then click on Yes right here. Then click on Continue. So allow it to delete every file you have right here and skip the one you cannot delete. Next, press Windows plus R again. And this time around, what you need to do is to simply type in prefetch and hit on OK. Then click on Continue. Then all the files right here also are temporary files that you need to delete in order to improve your PC performance. For you to do that, press Ctrl A to select everything. Press Shift key and delete key on your keyboard. And this is going to bump up and telling you the number of files that you have right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Yes. And all the file will be deleted. As simple as that. Then next, press Windows and R key again, and this is going to pump up. Then what you need to do right here is to type in percentage, temp, percentage, and then hit on OK. Then all the files right here are also junk files that make your PC slow. What you need to do right here is to simply delete everything. And for you to do that, press Ctrl A on your keyboard, Shift key and delete key on your keyboard, and click on Yes right here on to make sure all the files are fully deleted. Then restart your PC, and after that, your PC performance should get improved. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more PC tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.